Um, if you want to know how to download mods for Minecraft Pocket Edition, PS4, Bedrock, just all Bedrock platforms like PS4. Now, for PS4, it'll be harder because I have mobile. I'm using it. So basically, if you want to know how to download mods, so you're gonna have to go to a website called MCPEDL. However, there's no virus to the furries out there. There's no virus. Come on, don't be afraid. Come on, like you. Many people make these add-ons. Like many people who use this website post add-ons. So it's basically like a social media. I've even posted some of my own mods. So you know what? There's new ones coming out every day. And there's even maps. So you know what? You if you want to get a specific add-on or mod, however you can say it. However, I suggest getting the add-on because the add-ons are better. They're similar to mods. So it froze. So it's gonna do that, and you have to like reopen MCPEDL, which can be very annoying. So basically, I've downloaded like a lot of add-ons in here. It's basically one of the best. I thought it would freeze again. No, I did not tap on retro vanilla. That will happen, guys. That will. When you tap on something and then it goes to something else. Keep that in mind. That's a glitch. This website is not perfect. Jungle structures. I heard of an add-on that's like that. So now for the downloading. So you go here. Now I suggest you read the whole thing like I am. So yeah. Okay, so the jungle temple, they say an exclusive mob. Whenever they mean exclusive mob, that's a keyword, like, for a dungeon, that it could be a boss type mob, or it could be just simply a mini boss or a tough mob to beat. So, I suggest if you're, you know, okay, so, let's see what website they use. AdFly to Mediafire link. So AdFly is one of the many websites that many add-on creators will use. Keep in mind that AdFly is known for displaying unsafe ads. So if you do not want to see them, please look away from the ads and do not pay attention to them. They can put porn ads. Keep that in mind. So press deny because I don't think you would want notifications from this website. You have to wait. There's many different websites, so I hope you... So now you have to wait even more. Press the X. Then it moves you on. You do not have to press allow. There's no need for that. Because I don't know why they want you to put ads in order to download stuff. That's kind of weird. But AdFly is one of the most simple things for this. Now you'll be directed to the Mediafire link. And now you have to press on the Mediafire button, and then the add-on will be yours. But you still have to import it to your Minecraft. So open. Okay, I got sent to my file. So if you have Chrome, open it here. If it's a zip file, then you're gonna actually have to go to the files, but this is a mic pack. If it's a mic pack or a mic add-on, then you download through here. I downloaded some add-ons. When the add-on updates, you have to delete the old version and re-download it again if it updates. So, you press this and you wait. If it says failed, then your phone probably does not support the add-on. Now, keep in mind that this add-on supports 1.16. You have to read the version it supports, or else you just wasted your time, unless you had that version. So it said 1.16. Keep in mind that this add-on only works in 1.16 because it has newer codes, because 1.16 may change the way add-ons work. Yep, it really changed the way add-ons work, basically breaking them, which is kind of unnecessary to break them all. I don't think you need to break them all, because that's just not necessary. I don't know why Mojang does that sometimes, but I think it's for a reason that like for because then because maybe they want people to upgrade add-ons so that people enjoy them even more. I think, I'm not sure. Or people just simply add support. But of course, add-on creators have the urge to add newer things. So I have the beta 1.16.20.50. That's what I have. So we wait for Minecraft to load and we see if the importing was successful. Jungle Structures has been imported. Now I can have fun in this world. So, if you're on PS4, Xbox, or anything else, I do not have too much information on that. I do not even have information on that at all. So basically, if you don't know how, you basically get the file, the download file to the PS4. I don't know how that works. Then you have to use the download file, and then it probably should work. It should. Now I'm a single player, so and keep in mind that add-ons will not work on realms yet. I think in 1.18 or 1.17, Mojang will basically make it so that add-ons work on realms, but no, actually no. Add-on creators, like if they want to, they have to add realm support. Now, I think Jungle Structures does have realm support, or maybe not. They'll mention when they have realm support, so maybe no. So yes, you can, and then you could have fun in survival or in creative. I'm doing a survival series with basically Quest Life. That's what I named it, and I have multiple add-ons on there, and it's pretty fun. However, some add-ons will not work. Like if you try to open a loot bag from the loot bags add-on, your phone or PS4 may crash the game. Now, that's all the information I have today. See you.